This video demonstrates the proper procedures for lamp replacement on the NEC NC Series digital projectors. Before beginning any lamp installation, make sure you are wearing the proper safety equipment, including a protective jacket, wrist protectors, gloves, and face mask. For this installation, you will need a 17mm wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 3mm hex wrench. First, after the lamp has been turned off for at least 15 minutes with the cooling fans running, turn the power to the projector off. Unlock and remove the rear door. Loosen the 4 captive screws on the rear lamp shield with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the lamp shield and set aside. Carefully slide out the UV lens filter and set aside. Loosen the anode cable with a 17mm wrench. Retain the bolt and washer by placing them on top of the projector. You'll reuse them later. Next, loosen the 3mm hex nut at the cathode end of the lamp. Holding the lamp carefully at both ends, lift the anode end of the lamp off the yoke. Remove the lamp, being careful not to touch the reflector. Place the old lamp into its original protective carrier, secure with Velcro straps, and replace in its original packaging. While the lamp is out, clean the reflector with a lint-free cloth. Now you're ready to install the replacement lamp. Carefully remove the new lamp from its protective carrier. Visually inspect for any damage. Slide the lamp into position, again, being careful not to touch the reflector. Rest the anode end of the lamp on the yoke. Insert the lamp cathode into the clamp assembly, making certain the ferrule is contacting the clamp with no gaps, and tighten using the 3mm wrench. Reattach the anode cable, making sure it is aligned in a vertical 12 o'clock position. Tighten using 17mm wrench. Use the lint-free cloth to wipe off the UV glass and inspect for any damage. Slide the UV lens filter back into position. Replace the rear lamp shield and tighten the 4 captive screws. Replace the rear door and lock. Turn power to the projector back on and follow the recommended procedures for lamp alignment. Installation is complete. Now it's showtime.